Hi everyone, I'm Akshata H. Nagran. I have completed my engineering in Jyoti Institute of Technology and I'm in Technologics Global from past 1.5 months, and I'm into the three projects I'm working on it. And right now I'll give a small brief about one project, that is kids health monitoring, which will make the kids live tracking and wherever they go location, each and every update to their parents. And I'm a designer. This is the tool where I'm using, that is KiCad. This is the microcontroller which we are using, and MPU 6050 for the like movement, everything, and GSM model, GPS model for the tracking and updating to their parents. I'll give a brief introduction of what the components which are I'm going to use in the projects. The project name is Kids Monitoring System. In this project, I'm going to use this microcontroller, which is having inbuilt antenna and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so that the parents of the kids can get each and every updates. So in this is the MPU 6050 we are going to use to have a like rotation or the movement or the step count of the kids, which is going to update to their parents. And this is the GSM model which we are going to use. Here we can insert a SIM. Through the SIM antenna, the information, the data will transfer to their parents. This is a schematic where I work, and this is the microcontroller of the R project. Actually, I have designed this from the scratch. This is the only IC what we have get, and these are the other connections what I have made by referring the data sheet of the respective component. Thank you.